Good morning students. Welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period. We are doing lesson number 4, that is the hidden treasure. In this chapter we have done question answer. Then after that we have done fill in the blanks and true false. Now today we will do MCQ and match the following. So students, do it in your copy in a very neat and tidy way and submit in your class group. Lesson number 4, the hidden treasure. In this chapter we have done question answer, then fill in the blanks, true false. Now today we will do some more exercises, that is take the correct option. First of all student, you have to mention the date on which you are doing the work. Now write the heading using black pen. After this you have to write the whole statement with blue pen and the options with black pen and fill the blanks with black pen. First one is, there lived an old dash farmer in a village. There are three options: A, lazy, B, hardworking, C, diligent. Correct answer is hardworking. Put a tick mark here and write hardworking here also. There lived an old hardworking farmer in a village. Then leave one line. Now second one is, the farmer had dash sons. A1, B2, C3. Correct answer is 3. Put a tick mark here and write 3 here also. The farmer had 3 sons. Now third one is, one day the old man became seriously dash. A, ill, B, sad, C, unwell. Correct answer is ill. Write ill here also. One day the old man became seriously ill. After this, fourth one is, the 3 sons did not find any dash. A, property, B, treasure, C, metals. Correct answer is treasure. Put a tick mark here and write treasure here also. The 3 sons did not find any treasure. Fifth one is, real treasure lies in the fruit of A, determination, B, diligent, C, hard work. Correct answer is hard work. And write hard work here also. Real treasure lies in the fruit of hard work. I am repeating it. There lived an old hard-working farmer in a village. Second one is, the farmer had 3 sons. Third is, one day the old man became seriously ill. Fourth one is, the 3 sons did not find any treasure. Fifth one is, real treasure lies in the fruit of hard work. After this, we will do match the following. Again, you have to write this heading using black pen. Now write column A, column B. On the first is farmer. It will match with farmer is a hard working man, so it will match with hard working. Second is sons. Sons, the 3 sons are lazy, so it will match with lazy. Treasure, the farmer told his son that he had hidden the treasure in the field, so it will match with field. Seriously, one day the farmer became seriously ill, so it will match with C. So the 3 sons, after plowing the field, they sow some seeds in the field, so it will match with seeds. Now what you have to do? You have to do it like this. Match the following, column A, column B. First one is farmer. Farmer will match with hardworking. You have to write it in front of it. Second is sons. It will match with lazy. Write it in front of sons. Third is treasure. Treasure will match with field. Write field in front of it. Fourth is seriously. Seriously will match with ill. Write ill in front of seriously. And fifth one is so. So in front of so, write seeds in front of so. So in this way you have to do match the following. So students, you have to tick the correct option and match the following in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. And after this we will do revision work. Thank you.